everyone. It's been a minute. I've been extremely busy getting ready because this weekend I'm having my gender reveal party. So excited. If you hear scuffling around, I'm actually just gonna let him out 1 second. Hey, so my dog noticed that we have like this fish tank back here, and he keeps jumping like on the side of the cabinets to look at the fish, and I'm like, I'm trying to film a video. Anyways, so I thought that I would update you guys, do a 19-week update, even though I still have 2 days until I'm 19 weeks. Let's just call it 19 weeks. So to talk about symptoms, I noticed that I now have boob stretch marks, which was surprising because I was anticipating them on my stomach, but I don't even have any there yet. I just got them on my boobs and I was like, Kaden, that's like, thanks. I've also been peeing a lot. I'm super thirsty like all the time, and I probably drink, I actually don't know how much I drink, but I drink a lot, meaning that I have to pee like every half an hour or so, and I have to wake up during the night to pee once or twice, and it's a pain in the ass, but it is what it is. This little baby is weighing down on my bladder already, and it's causing me some trouble. Also, because of the baby weighing down on my bladder and just my body in general, excuse me, I've been having trouble sleeping. Since I can no longer sleep on my stomach, which was my go-to position, I have to sleep on my sides because you're not supposed to sleep on your back because then your uterus weighs down on like this one artery or vein, and so it can cause low blood pressure and you can feel nauseous. So I have to sleep on my sides, and it's absolutely killing me. I'm sort of getting used to it at this point, but I don't know that I'll ever be completely used to it. Also, I forgot to mention this in my first update, but I've had a consistently stuffed up nose the entire pregnancy, which is something that no one talks about, but it's actually not uncommon. And along with that, every time that I blow my nose, there's almost always blood in it, because since my blood pressure, well, not my blood pressure, but my blood is pumping at a like faster rate than usual to get blood to the baby and to still all of my organs. It's causing like some blood in my nose. I've also already felt the baby move. I felt that at 17 weeks, and it was crazy. I had no idea what to expect. So many people had said different things. My mother-in-law said that it felt like popcorn popping, which is what I would probably describe it as well. It was crazy. I seriously don't know how to describe it other than that. It doesn't even really feel like that, but that's the closest thing that I can think of. But it was truly amazing. Connor is freaked out by it. And he's not excited for when we're gonna be able to like see it on the outside. It reminds him of a little alien, so it bothers him. But also on the pain side, I've been having round ligament pain, which is where you can feel pain like around your pelvis and the ligaments there. It's horrible. I don't get it super often, but when I do, I have to just like sit there and suffer through it. I've also occasionally been having back pain in my lower back, and that's pretty bad too when I can actually feel it, but again, it doesn't happen super often. So I decided to add a different little segment to this and talk about my favorites for the past couple of weeks. First off, I got a little Doppler so that I can listen to the heartbeat at home, which Connor was like, why? But when you're the mom, you get so freaked out if like you don't feel it move or something. You're like, but is it dead? It's like obviously not dead, but if you've had a baby before, then you know what I mean. But going off of this Doppler, this is the description of the Doppler that I ordered. If it would focus. Nope, she don't want to focus. Anyways, it says Little Martin's baby sound, and it was supposed to be blue. As you can see, this is called Snuggly Chuck, and it is clearly pink. So Not sure why this is the one that I got, but I was like, okay, because this was a pretty penny, and your girl doesn't have a job right now. So I was like, that's kind of annoying, but I'll open it up really quick. This is what it looks like, and this is how you turn it on. Ding! And then the volume as well, and then this little gadget is what you actually run on your abdomen. And I was extremely disappointed that I got this one because the one that I ordered was supposed to have like a screen on the front that tells you what their heart rate is, because that's semi-important for me to monitor. And this one doesn't, and I was like, okay, that was kind of why I bought that one. But it works just fine. I'm still gonna leave a bad review because this isn't what I ordered at all, but it could have been worse, so it's fine. Also, moving into foods that are my favorites, like last week, every single day I was cutting up potatoes to make homemade fries in the oven and putting smoked paprika on them and garlic powder and dipping them in ranch, and I would eat like 2 potatoes in one sitting as a meal, but it's fine. So freaking good. I've also wanted ice cream a lot, especially like Ben & Jerry's ice cream because it's so good. Other than that, I haven't had any consistent food cravings this entire pregnancy, I wouldn't say. Now I can actually start eating normal foods again, so that is so nice because I was so tired of eating like the same 8 things over and over again. But the most exciting part of this last couple of weeks has been that we had our anatomy scan, which is how we are having the gender reveal. I'm sorry my lighting is getting poopy. I'm literally just standing in front of a window in my bathroom, so this is why I can't be a YouTuber. But I will show you guys some pictures of our little one. So I thought it was funny that the ultrasound tech printed this picture because all it is a little foot. She printed out like all the ones of like the actual baby, and then she printed out this little foot one, but it's cute. So I was like, whatevs. And then in this one, you can see its little hand right here starting to come up, and then in this one, you can see it waving. It's kind of hard to make out, but this is its head, and this is the hand, and this is like the rest of the torso. Isn't that the coolest thing? I always look at other people's ultrasound pictures, and I'm like, wow, you can really tell what that is. But then on mine, I'm like, oh my god! Again, if you've had a baby, you'll know what I'm saying. Also, most exciting part of the anatomy scan is that we got to do 3D pictures, which was really awesome because I didn't expect that. So, they're a little creepy. Here's a little gremlin guy with his hand coming up onto his face. By the way, I'm only saying his as a placeholder. I should say there. Be more appropriate, but there's their little arm. They flexing. And then this one is my absolute favorite one that we got because you can see their little hand here and their hand there and their little face. It's so cool. I was honestly a little teary-eyed when we got to do the 3D ones. It was super awesome, and shout out to my friend Sonia for coming along because it meant a lot to me. And in this envelope is the gender of our baby. Did anyone else just freak out a little? Because I did. My heart was like... But there's a picture in here, and it says what it is, and I don't know what it is. It's driving me nuts, but only Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 4 more days. 4. I can do it, guys. Please comment down below telling me I can do it, and comment down below telling me what you think this baby is. So many people think it's a girl, but I'm team boy. I don't know if anyone knew that, but I'm gonna be wearing blue. And lastly, I will show you guys a bump shot. Boop. So, major lighting change, but this is what we have to work with. So, here is my bump. You literally can't tell that much. You can tell really well at the end of the day, but right now it's like, wow, she a little chunky. And yes, I am. But you know what? I'm pregnant, so... Alright, so that is all I have for this video. I know I said I was going to do a maternity haul, but our dryer is broken. So doing laundry has been a struggle lately. But I promise I will eventually get that up. Please comment down below telling me what kind of videos you want to see. And thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I love all of you. Bye.